Full count pitch. Swinging a pop-up right side. Tapia under it. And he makes the grab in foul territory. Here's the pitch. Swinging a chopper over towards short. Law picks it up, throws to first. There's the out. Pitch, one start. 1-2. Smith, fly ball to center. Skinner running in. He dives. And he got. And a line drive, right field, base hit for Ali Lapred. Here's the pitch. Swing and a fly ball out to left, and it stays fair. It gets down. 1-2. Swing and a drive, gets through the gap into left field. Ebolk scores. Law safe at third.
He dropped the ball.
Law comes home, and the Bird Dogs score a run at 6-4 as Masterman slam. It's 8-6 Bird Dogs lead.